Hello everyone, this is Miss E, hashtag Miss E Goes to Japan. And of course, one of the reason why I'm so happy and grateful and blessed. Ano-ano na, kahit ano nang sabihin nyo, overwhelming talaga ng blessing. Ang nalangin ko lang, ang hirap. I prayed for to come over here in Japan and to be with everyone sa convention, pero talagang binigay ni Lord ng bonggang-bongga, and one of the reason is to meet up all of my business partners most of my business partners na nasa online lang. Talagang nagkaroon ako ng experience, tumawa, kumanta, lahat-lahat na maki-crazy dito sa Japan talaga.
Japan talaga.
Yes.
Japan.
So ngayon guys, i-cater ko naman ang aking ate in a different mother.
Yes.
Ate of a different mother talaga. This is Jenny Sigismundo Sales. I keep telling you guys that, you know, meron tayong mga different reasons why we're doing this business. I'm a stay-home mom. I do this business because I want to have quality time with my toddler. So, ang kay Miss Jenny naman is really to find her quality time and freedom para sa sarili, kasi hindi natin kailangan na hintayin na maging ugod-ugod bago tayo mag-travel.
Exactly.
Okay, so share your story.
Hi guys, my name is Jennifer Sigismundo Sales. The only and one reason, primarily, is time freedom. On my very first day, that's what I really want to have for myself, so I can spend quality time with my family. So travel is a part of it, but because you're gonna be free, you don't have to ask permission from anyone. If you're an employee, yes, of course you have to, and then they can tell you how long you can go, how far you can go, and you have to come back, guys. So now that I really want to have this time freedom, when I saw the opportunity, this has a lot of potential, guys. Even the unlimited income that you can make, if that's one of your goal, this is the place.
Yes.
Because you can still make money while you are employed.
Yes, guys.
But yes, you gotta have to really work hard and, you know, put all your effort and all your emotions, everything about you learning the business, and make sure to really focus on your goal. And yes, eventually you're gonna have your time freedom and your early retirement, if that's gonna be your goal.
Yes, guys, and sasabihin ko lang sa inyo, she came over to this business na nagtatrabaho pa rin siya ng graveyard, but then 11 months after, she became retired, you know, because of the business. Hindi ito rich quick scheme. Okay, so talagang binonggahan niya ang effort because she really wanted so much of her time freedom. Kaya naman ginawa niya ang lahat para sa kanyang business. So yun, depende kung paano at how hungry you are to aim to your pupunta sa inyong destination na success. So yun lang guys, and I'm so glad that I met her in person at talaga namang
First time, I got
yes,
first time.
and talaga
First
namang
time.
we're looking forward for a different naman na location para sa aming convention and more memories, no?
Yes.
So that's our goal. Kaya yes guys, hope you get inspired from us. Bye!